Well, hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is the stay-at-home grandma, and I had to do the whole thing again. Don't ask. I won't tell. So let me give you an update on what's happening with it. This is what I did with the eProda. This was the foot pad, and this is what I got off. This is only one. I had one on each foot, and I put it on last night, and this is what I got out of it. So we'll see. I'm gonna try it again tonight too. That was pretty dirty, but I'll tell you what, though, it smelled heavenly. And I just put this together. So this is to hold my pencils and my paintbrushes. I have two of these. I just put this one together so you could see it. So this is what I got with that. And then I got, this is the strong suit screwdriver set. And I need this because, you know, I'm up here and I'm tinkering around as best I can. And I got this. This is the, for my phone. This holds your phone. And it's but this has a www dot on it, so I'll make sure that I put that up there. All of them don't, but this one does. At least I thought it did somewhere. And this wraps all around it. It wraps all around it. It's bendable, it's flexible, it's whatever. So I like this. And this can be for my phone. And I'm going to put this up when I'm doing things. I think what I'm going to try to do is try to use my phone in the kitchen when I'm cooking. We'll see what happens because well, I could use my camera, but that means that I have to take the camera all the way down to the first floor. And I haven't even used the camera up here yet. So we'll use the camera and see what happens. And then, well, I mean, we'll use the phone and see what happens. So, you know, we'll get it together. We will be getting it together. Little by little. And then I got this On Shield. It's fire resistant safety pouch, and it's used on On Shield fire resistant pouch to protect all your important documents such as your ID, passport, cash, and more in the fire. And so it's 12 inches. So I got this. Now I'm looking to protect valuables. It's made of water resistant material. It reflects 95% of radiant heat and convenient closure. So I'm going to take it out, but now I don't see a www on this. And this is recyclable, by the way. But I got this because it's not going to copy the things, and we have a wall safe, but that's it right there. So that's really good. I got that. And, you know, when they ask me to review things, I say yes to some and no to others, but, you know. And then I got the Fresh Steel reusable silicone bag, and they are perfect for storing food, liquids, and other essential items. It's 100% eco-friendly and recyclable, made from 100% safe, non-toxic, non-reactive, non-allergenic, and tasteless, high-quality food-grade silicone, FDA and SGA approved, and temperature-resistant, 58 Fahrenheit to 482 to 250. I don't know. Anyway, safely used in refrigerator, microwave oven, toaster, freezer, steamer, and dishwasher. So this is what I got. Let's pull out one so you can see what it looks like. Isn't that cute? And it folds into, you fill it up, and see this, the pouch down there? It actually fills up just like a regular, like a regular one that you would have, like a Tupperware bag. Or Pirates, I don't know. Shoot. Okay, then I have a few more things and then we're done. I got mica. And this is Craft-O. This is all colors. This is silver. This is blue. It looks kind of like 40 different colors in here. And a little envelope. Mica goes a long way, but it's also fun to use. And I'll be using this in the craft. It says, build your craft. And that's really on this box. All it says, and it has no www dot on it. So, all right. Then I got this. And this is a wall storage pocket chart. Organize your office. Be more productive. Clear up the clutter from your living room space. 10 pockets, 2 types of hooks, includes for easy hanging and super durable. So I'm going to hang it somewhere up in here. It's got 2 types of hooks, so we'll see. And this is it. I'm going to actually take it out and yeah, so you can actually see what it really looks like. My husband is working on the kitchen shelf. One of the shelves he's fixing. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not doing it. And then the other thing is this terrible cold. So this is it. This is how it looks. So it's pretty big. There's 2 of them actually, but it's pretty big and it holds things. And it has deep pockets in it. Let me see if I can go here. It has real deep pocket in it. So I would say that it would hold a lot of stuff. And the more that, as I'm cleaning, as I'm thinking I need this or I don't need this, I'm going to throw this away, I'm going to give this away, or whatever, I'm doing it. Okay? So, that's it for that. And it has no www dot on it. No, I have one thing that has a www dot on it. And then, well, last but not least for today, I have, if I can get it up, this right here. Oh, I forgot the writings. But I'll do this. This right here. This is the Hios 4-in-1 hand blender, chrome and black. And I have one hand blender, but I'm going to switch out the hand blender downstairs and use it for arts and crafts. And then I'm going to use this for making my smoothies and things like that. Because sometimes I just don't feel like plugging in the blender. I have 2 blenders, but I don't feel like pulling them down and plugging them in. So this is really good. And this has the 4-in-1 hand blender for blending, chopping, whisking, and lots more. It has a steel blade, a stainless steel blade. It includes 600 milliliter beakers. I don't know what that means. Stylish black finish. And then it low noise level and smooth speed control. It's a multifunctional 4-in-1 hand blender. And I got this. Wanted to review this, and so they said yes, and I got it. So, I'm looking all around the box, and there's no www. That's it. Okay. And last but not least, my vitamins. These are children's multivitamins, multi-mega monster. And they are omega-3, 6, and 9 DHA gummy vitamins. This is my D3. I have to have D3. I've got 2 of these. This is my magnesium oxide, and it's by Beaver Brook. And I got 2 of these. Let me see if I can. And then I got another magnesium from another company called Zala, and its magnesium is 200 milligrams. It's 120 capsules. And last but not least, I got some oil. And this is rose otter. And it smells good. It smells good. So we've been meeting together and mixing things and everything and making things. I have a class on Wednesday. I'm not having it tomorrow night because we took a break. So we'll meet again next week and start our new class. And it's 4 weeks. I believe a 4 weeks runs fast when you're having fun. So hopefully everybody likes this. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Hope I'll be able to talk. I should be able to, because I'm drinking plenty of juice and water and other such things. So I love you. Take care. God bless. Oh, forgot something. This is greetings from BLIGLI team. Glee, and they have a www on there where they have a thanks for buying my product. Thanks for reviewing my product. And if you like our product, could you leave a review, which I will. This is customer service team, and this is for my bathroom. I told you I'm going to work on my bathroom, get that all finished. I will probably see. I will try to take pictures of me doing it, but it's so hard because the bathroom's so small. That's why I got that little thing for me. Probably try to bring my camera in there. Just see. Okay, so this is for my bathtub. So this is for the bathtub, and this is, it says nothing after, just tells instructions how to use it, and then what I read in the front. So this is really nice. I like this. I like these, believe it or not. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. I'm gonna go do a couple of things, and then I'm gonna go fix some soup, take some medicine, and I think lay down. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.